If you want to install the Windows 11 without Microsoft's account, so this is the perfect video for you. So let's see how we can do that. So in this video I'll show you a step-by-step process how you can skip Microsoft account while installing the Windows 11. So maybe you are here, and then if you are here, so first you have to select the region, then keyboard language, and then click on next, and over here you have to click on skip. So it will take some time, and then you will be here, and over here you have to select the network, and then you have to enter the Microsoft credentials. So instead of that, you just press here uh, shift F10 or FN shift F10 for few of the laptops or desktop. So command prompt will open. Over here you have to type a command. So this command I will paste in the description also. So if you want, you can copy paste from there, or you can type it manually. Okay, so once you done, just hit enter. So laptop or desktop will restart. So after restart, the entire process will start again, as you can see, and then we will get one more option, additional options that was not there. And this is the option, I don't have internet. Okay, so once you click here, it will allow us to create a local account instead of online Microsoft account. This account login thing we can bypass through Rofus also. If you want to see that, we have a video on our channel, you can check out that also. So we have created the local account and we logged in with that. So this machine is now ready to use. Without Microsoft account, we have created a local account, and if you have any doubt, comment below, we will reply to all the comment. If you are new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.